Alright, welcome back to another episode of Fabtown. We're going to do a quick hot boy removal of exhaust shit. Because we ain't about that hot boy exhaust life. And somebody already commented on it, so pretty much have to change it. So we got the V-band off of the old one. That's on the ground over there. We're not going to go crazy with this. We're literally just going to, I guess, cut and weld the Magnaflow on it and see how it does. I'll probably do it before and after sound quality test. Alright, Chappie's going to go ahead and start it up straight pipe. Remember, it's in gear. It's very loud.
Too loud.
And it spewed a bunch of
condensation.
It is condensation. It's not oil. Gross. Oh, you know what this has on it that most cars don't?
A cat.
A cat.
I saw that.
It's a little crazy that it has that. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and just cut that thing off and... I think delete the cat?
Yeah, it's pretty restrictive for power, actually.
Well, yeah. We could just make a test pipe with it.
Test pipe.
Yeah. You go ahead and cut this off and then weld that on. Hot boy style. Chappie got really excited and remembered that he had this Banks muffler for his car that he's going to try and use. So we're going to test it out, see how it sounds. Let it rip, Tater Chip. That's pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
That's not bad. It'd probably be even better once you weld it in.
Yeah.
Without exhaust leaks and stuff.
Nice turbo diesel muffler.
That was cool. That was a good test. Alright, now we're going to get to cutting this and weld it on the Magnaflow. Ghetto Fabulous complied with.
Ghetto.
So, in lieu of a hanger right here, we went full retard lazy and used some heat protective shit and a hose clamp.
You tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Let's let these guys hear it. It's still loud, but it's better.
Nowhere near as drony.
It's way quieter at idle.
You could always throw a tip on.
Yeah, you'd be amazed how much a tip makes a difference in that. So we got the new exhaust on. We're going to try some different springs in the wastegate too. Blow the wells on the intake.
Yeah.
doing pull after pull after pull in this thing with the new exhaust and different wastegate springs and everything like that, we had a couple conclusions that we came to, is that it really doesn't spool until, or doesn't, I shouldn't say spool, it starts spooling around 3,800. I should say it starts getting out of vacuum at like 3,800. However, it doesn't hit full boost until about 5,500. So our tubular log setup, using the cast manifolds, into runners, into a T3, or excuse me, a T4 flange, on the 0.88 AR S366. Not the greatest spool response. We're still having slight fueling issues too. We figured out why it was stumbling so bad, and that had something to do with the boost controller leaking vacuum to the fuel pressure regulator, which was a really random kind of thing that we figured out. It wasn't something that we originally thought. The map sensor is working good off the SRT4. If you guys ever have to run a map sensor on your AEM and you need a cheap option, the SRT4 one was $19, so that's a good route to go. More to come on this. So like I said, we got a good baseline for what that manifold setup will do with that housing and everything like that. So we're going to swap over to the the actual tubular manifold with a new housing and try it out then. I think that the results are going to be pretty dramatic. We're also going to be going back to the dyno, and we'll be able to overlay those results originally to the results we have now. So that'll be cool. So I want to say thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And shout out to the guy who motivated us to change this exhaust setup. All right, you guys have a good day, and I can't wait to see you again soon.